Welcome back everyone to the channel. So today's video we're going to be doing an interior mod video. I know it's a first of its kind on my channel, but I figured why not, because the interior of this car is only gloss black and it kind of looks boring. So I bought something really cheap and fun to spice up the interior. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that is. As I was saying, the interior of this car only has gloss black. There is no option for carbon fiber. This side of the door panel has a silver finish which looks really nice, and silver right here. The rest is gloss black. As you can see, that's gloss black, and then as we step in, this is also gloss black, and then this is also gloss black. Today we're going to be upgrading this part and this part. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a piece to upgrade this part. I'm going to be looking out for something for this part, and we'll do another video on that. But for today, we're going to be doing that panel and that panel. I'm going to show you exactly what I bought. Here they are. These are the pieces that we're upgrading the interior with. I did forget that there is the kind of like armrest knob, but what I did is I bought carbon fiber from Alibaba. The carbon fiber pieces that I bought from Alibaba. You're probably thinking, why would you do that? Well, I kind of wanted to test to see what the quality would look like for carbon fiber from Alibaba, especially with the price. The price of all these together was about $30. Yes, $30 USD for all these pieces of carbon fiber. For the price, they're really not that bad at all. Quality wise, you know, the carbon fiber isn't crazy real carbon fiber. It's just cheap carbon fiber that a Chinese factory is making, but it actually looks really nice in person. I'm actually very impressed with the quality. The weave on this one doesn't really match this one at all. I'm sure you wouldn't be able to notice in the car. Like I said, it's cheap. It was $30 total, $25 just for these two. So you're really not risking too much, investment when you're buying these pieces because they're so dang cheap. So what we're gonna do now is I'm actually gonna show you guys how to install these pieces into the interior of this car, and then kind of go over the looks, see if it looks nice to keep it, or if I should recommend it for other people. So let's hop in the car, let's install these pieces. So you're probably wondering, how do these pieces actually install into the car? So they don't replace the gloss black pieces. They actually just go right on top of them with a 3M tape. So yeah, it is a cheap install. I'm sure it's going to be, it might be loose or whatever. It did come with extra tape just in case. First thing when dealing with 3M tape carbon fiber pieces, you want to make sure that the surface is clean. So grab a microfiber towel, clean up the surface, make sure that all dust and fingerprints are off it, because the 3M tape is going to be what's securing it onto the gloss black piece. You want to make sure that's clean so the tape can adhere to it perfectly. So really all you do is just clean it up. You could use a spray, like a cleaner spray. I'm just going to use a microfiber towel right now, clean that all up, and then we're going to take the piece here and we're going to remove the red piece of the tape, which is basically going to reveal the sticky side of the 3M tape. All right, so all the red pieces are off. So now we can adhere the carbon fiber piece to the black trim. So you just want to make sure that you got the right side up, and let's get it over completely. Make sure no gloss black is seen, and then just stick it. And then you want to use as much force as you can, just so you know that the piece is going to stick perfectly to the gloss black, and even press it down a little bit just to make sure that that is all pressed correctly. Now over time that's going to stick and adhere like glue, because that's what 3M tape does. But if it does come loose, you can take it off and use the extra pieces to make sure that it fits correctly. Guys, this is what this part looks like fully installed. I actually think it looks really, really good. Although the weave does look kind of cheap, people who don't really know what carbon fiber isn't going to notice that. It just actually looks so much better than just a gloss black. And like I said, it was such an easy install, and that thing's going to stick there. So let's move forward. Let's put the main piece on and get that installed and see what that looks like. All right, guys, so we're going to install the main piece inside the interior. I did want to give a warning that I can't get the camera at a good angle inside the car because the piece is right directly in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install it, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. If you do need help with installing it, it's the same exact process of this piece right here. So if you do need help, just watch that part of the video where I installed that piece, and it's essentially the same for that one. So let me go install it so I can show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it would look like if it was actually installed. So unfortunately, during the installation process, while trying to get this on, it did not go smoothly as this piece over here. It looks good. It does look really good, but unfortunately, it just will not stick on. And obviously that's kind of like the shortcomings of buying really, really cheap carbon fiber. So I think the piece or the tape just isn't working properly. And I tried multiple ways. I tried adding more tape and it just will not install. I think it's the actual shape of the piece just isn't really lining up with the interior. But my gosh, that does look so much better than the gloss black. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get this installed another way and let you guys know and give you an update of whether or not it actually fit well. So hold off on ordering the carbon fiber piece just yet. I did get this one installed. It does look pretty cool. I'm hoping to get a full carbon fiber piece for the center console right here, but other than that, this piece right here just is not fitting correctly, and that's, like I said, comes with buying cheap carbon fiber. Did want to be honest with you guys and let you know that this did not work out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head back home. I'm going to add new tape. I'm going to replace this tape completely and add some new tape and see if that works. And then once I get that done, I'll try to get that installed, see if it works. And if it does, I'll let you guys know. If it doesn't, I'll also let you guys know. For now, we can just pretend that that is on and that looks amazing. So with this piece over here, that piece, if it was installed, and then this piece right here, the interior actually looks a lot more AMG-like, because like I said, with the gloss black, it just looks plain, and I wish they would offer an option to get this in carbon fiber from factory, but they do not. I'm gonna work on this, try to get this done, but that's pretty much it. I'm really mad that this didn't work out because it would look cool, but it is what it is. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to end this video on a failure, but that's it for today's video. Thanks again for watching. If you guys did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, as there's more videos on this car and hopefully my new car coming very, very soon. See you guys on the next video.